How to get back my deleted TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down to Support and About section and tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Account Recovery at the top. In the text bar, enter the username or email to find the account you want to recover. After that, tap on Search below. If you can't access the login options, then tap on Can't access these at the bottom. Then tap on Request Support. Here, you can choose from their suggestions. For example, how to recover my account. You can also send a message to TikTok support regarding your issue. For example, ask for help to recover your deleted account. Then, tap on the Send button and then wait for their response. Following these steps, you can get back your deleted TikTok account.